Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show how to convert WMS layer into shapefile. Here I have prepared this shapefile for a district of West Bengal. Here if you see here shapefile, this one shapefile. Okay, so this is my WMS layer, this one flat layer. If you go here properties, you can see here we can't export this layer, right? So here see, this is a WMS server, so we can easily export it by different way. So just copy this layer to another ArcMap and paste this layer first. It's working because this is a WMS layer, so it will take time. Okay, now this is WMS layer, so I have to close this one, no need to save. Okay, so this is a WMS layer. I'll show you how we can easily export this WMS layer into shapefile. So now we have to export first as a PNG format, right? So go to file, here we can easily export. Go to file, then export as a map, that's in PNG format. I have to save it in my desktop, so go to desktop, one folder, flat WB flat. Okay, and give any name, WB flat. It will be converted into raster, but we have to change this format. If we select here these two color, then it will be converted this two color. If you change it monocolor, like 1-bit monochrome threshold, because we'll use ArcScan. ArcScan only work for binary data, so it will convert 0 and 1. 0 mean this flat data and 1 mean non-flat data. So 1-bit ArcGIS threshold, now it is 256 because it's 8-bit. Save it. Okay, export is completed. Now here my desktop, I have to connect this desktop now. Desktop. Okay, now here WB flat, this one, and edit. Yes. Okay, see now this is a PNG format. 0 mean flat and 1 mean non-flat. So we have to use here catalog, then suppose this one desktop. So under the desktop here WB flat, I'll create two shapefile here. One shapefile for area, that's been polygon. So new shapefile, WB flat polygon, and features type should be polygon. And here unknown coordinate system, we have to assign coordinate system in geographic coordinate system. We can find here in geographic coordinate system, then world, then WGS 1984. Okay, then click it OK. We have created one polygon. We have to create another polyline. So new, here shapefile. Now flat polyline, instead of point we have to select now polyline. Similarly WGS coordinate system, click it OK. Now we have to edit it, so edit features. Yeah, we have to start editing, and in this case we will use one tool, this called ArcScan. So right click here, this white area, and you can click this tool ArcScan, this one ArcScan. So now it is not working because we have to customize it. We have to active this extension from here, customize, then extension. We have to active this customize, it's called ArcScan. Then we can easily scan right? This one. This extension ArcScan, we have to click it and close this one. After close this, see, now it is active. Here we have to check first our option from here. See, it's working here. 0 mean color value and 1 mean this background value. It's okay. If you want to change, then you have to change it right this way. But here 0 mean here right this way. We can change it. Okay, no issue. We can change it from here also. Just click it OK. Again go to Vectorization and generate features. So see here template, flat polyline, and here see this one, choose line layer to the add center line to. Okay, it's a center line. We have to check here also. See here vectorization method, center line and outline. If you want to create outline, then you have to select outline. Okay, just click it OK. Go to Vectorization, generate features. Now see here polygon layer, WB flat, and here line layer, flat polyline, which we have prepared. Now click it OK. It's working. Now see, save edit and stop edit. Our vectorization is completed. We have successfully converted this PNG to polygon. Uncheck this one. Go to here. Go to symbology, or you can change it from here. Suppose this color, and change this boundary also. Then you can understand. See now, it's a polygon. We have successfully converted flat layer, that's been WMS layer, to polygon. Now we can export, data export. And also no need to export because already it's work. Just stop editing. Okay. Remove it. We can easily add it. WB flat. This one WB flat polygon. This is a shapefile. Right? See? I can change color. This is a flat layer. And this is a polygon. If you want to learn more, then you can join our paid workshop in Advances in Geographical Research here. Here the course 1, Mastering in ArcGIS. Here it will be started in 19 May. You can learn many things, overview of ArcGIS, data and position in details, data type, hands-up digitization, symbology, labeling. Many things you can learn from here, basic to advanced. Thank you again.